You have to remember something. Everybody pities the weak. Jealousy you have to earn. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. What is the point of being on this earth if you are going to be like everyone else? There are no shortcuts. Everything is reps, reps, reps. Money doesn't make you happy. I now have $50 million, but I was just as happy when I had $48 million. Positive thinking can be contagious. Being surrounded by winners helps you develop into a winner. Just like in bodybuilding, failure is also a necessary experience for growth in our own lives. For if we're never tested to our limits, how will we know how strong we really are? How will we ever grow? If I can see it and believe it, then I can achieve it. If it can bleed, we can kill it. You'll get more from being a peacemaker than a warrior. Be hungry for success. Hungry to make your mark. Hungry to be seen and to be heard and to have an effect. And as you move up and become successful, make sure also to be hungry for helping others. From the bodybuilding days on, I learned that everything is reps and mileage. The more miles you ski, the better a skier you become. The more reps you do, the better your body. All I know is that the first step is to create a vision, because when you see the vision, the beautiful vision, that creates the want power. If you want to turn a vision into reality, you have to give 100% and never stop believing in your dream. If you don't believe in yourself, then how will anyone else believe in you? The more knowledge you have, the more you're free to rely on your instincts. When you have a well-developed body and you're confident, you see people bending your way, wanting to be on your side, wanting to do things for you. I have a love interest in every one of my films, a gun. Never follow the crowd. Go where it's empty. Milk is for babies. When you grow up you have to drink beer. Early to bed, early to rise, work like hell, and advertise. Love stories are built around people's idiosyncrasies. If you don't find the time, if you don't do the work, you don't get the results. I love it when people say that something can't be done. That's when I really get motivated. I like to prove them wrong. You must have a sincere and burning desire to achieve what you dream. Dedicate yourself to making progress, and take control of your circumstances to change your body. Forget Plan B to test yourself and grow. You have to operate without a safety net. I never felt that I was good enough, strong enough, smart enough. He let me know that there was always room for improvement. A lot of sons would have been crippled by his demands, but instead the discipline rubbed off on me. I turned it into drive. For me, life is continuously being hungry. The meaning of life is not simply to exist, to survive, but to move ahead, to go up, to achieve, to conquer. To be successful, however, you must be brutal with yourself and focus on the flaws. Every morning you have two options. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. You have to build the ultimate physical machine, but also the ultimate mind. I always believed in shooting for the top, and to become an American is like becoming a member of the winning team. Women always reproach men that they are only interested in boobs and a bottle, but they forget that being born as men, they first give breasts, and then they themselves begin to accustom them to the bottle.